Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I'm going to be removing the engine cover. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So now I'm going to remove the cover right here. I'm going to use a 10 millimeter. Set those aside. Lift this up, pull it towards you, slides right off. We'll set this aside. Okay, it's time to install our engine cover. We've got two little hooky-doos like this. One's gonna go here, one's gonna go there. This is gonna set flat down, and then we've got a little piton there, one there, gonna go in there. Line them up, bring it down, line up the studs with the holes. We've got two nuts. Tight. Tight. Looking good.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.